Hello students, today I'm going to show you some changes that are coming to the Seesaw Class app. Your teacher will tell you the exact day that these changes will happen. I'm going to show you what those changes are today. So very soon when you click on Seesaw Class app, so you'll remember when you click on activities, you will have a lot of activities from all of your teachers that you go to. What the change is going to be is when you tap your name at the top corner, we have taken your art, drama, music and PE away from your homeroom class. Only those 4 classes at the moment. We haven't done languages yet because we never had languages on Seesaw. And classes like EAL or Math Extension, we're going to keep them in the homeroom class for now. We'll move them over if we feel like we need to. So let me just talk to you about what that means for you. Your homeroom class is still your homeroom class. Your homeroom class is where you will see the morning announcement in the inbox. So every morning you still go to your homeroom class and you see what's happening for that day. When you go to your other classes, there won't be a morning message because the morning message is just to tell you what's happening that day. Now, if you look in the morning message and you say, well, at 11:25, I have art. And in this particular art class, you have a Google Meet. But after the Google Meet, you want to tap on your name and you will go to your art class and find out what the activity is from your art teacher. So it's just like being at school. In the morning, you go to your homeroom class and you find out what you're doing that day. You talk to your homeroom teacher, you do your attendance. When it's time for another class, you leave your homeroom class and you go to that class to find out what your activities are for that day. And the last thing to know is that when you do post something to your specialist teachers in the journal, make sure that you go to that class and you use that journal. So if I'm posting an art activity, I want to be in my art class and I want to add something in my art class for my art teacher because my art teacher is no longer in my homeroom. They're in the art class. So this just makes everything a lot cleaner for you, the student, and for all your teachers as well. It's pretty simple. I don't think there's too many confusing points, but if there is something that's too confusing, please reach out to me. Like I said, languages are not on there at the moment. EAL, Math Extension, and other small groups don't have their own class at the moment. So just know at the moment it's art, drama, music, PE. If we need to make changes in the future, we'll test it out first and then we'll push them out to you. So have fun learning, good luck, and let me know if you love it, let me know if it's confusing, and we'll move forward. Thank you so much.